All right, the last one we're going to do is the tangent of 60. All right, so I already have it drawn on there for us. So the tangent of 60, again, is going to be opposite over adjacent. So our opposite this time is the tall side, right, which is square root of 3, over, excuse me, over 2, and our denominator is 1/2. Okay, and again, I want us to just think about how we multiply, when we divide fractions, the same thing as multiplying by the reciprocal. So we do square root of 3 over 2, and we multiply it by the reciprocal of 1/2, which is 2 over 1. Okay, again, the 2's are going to cancel. When you have 1 on the top and 1 on the bottom, that's equal to 1, like 2 over 2, which is 1. So the 2's cancel out, and all we're left with is square root of 3 over 1, which is just square root of 3. Okay, that's our final answer. All right, I want to point something out. Let's go back to this guy right here. Since both of these fractions, the numerator and the denominator, both fractions have 2 in the denominators, we could have just canceled out those 2's right then and there, and it immediately turned this into square root of 3 over 1. Right? That only happens when they both have the same denominator. But we know that when we're using these coordinates, that they always have the denominator 2, so those 2's cancel out. So we just have square root of 3 as our answer. Right, so what I would do is I would, in my notes, have the example of how we found the tangent of 30, the tangent of 45, and the tangent of 60. How did we get those? I would definitely write those in your notes somewhere. Right? If you can find the tangent of these 3 angles, then you can find the tangent of all the other family members of them, because it's basically the same numbers being divided, and the only difference is that you might have positive or negative numbers involved. That's it.